whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or even someone who's trying to do freelance, probably you've had this advice. Get to start doing work for free or offer your products or services for free. And now you're probably asking, how do I even benefit from all this? After all, the main reason why I started doing business was to make money out of it. Yeah. So if you're the kind of person who has such question, then I've got you covered because I'm going to be showing you how free clients can make you a ton of money. Right? And without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. The first way through which free clients can get you a lot of money is that it is easy to convert them into paying clients. Right? So if at all they are confused, how is that even possible? I believe if it has taken you about 2 to 3 weeks, you working with this free client, you're going to develop this kind of relationship, the kind of bond that is going to keep you and your client intact. Yeah. So first of all, they will be in position to know what you are capable of, what your offer is capable of doing, what it feels like working with you, what it feels like enjoying the kind of product you have. Yeah. So with that, it is easier for you to get them to pay some amount of money in order to upgrade from just getting free information or free products to getting even most valuable product. Another way free clients can make you lots of money is that they will bring in paying referrals. What do I mean? Take an example. You deal in cosmetics, right? And you're selling lotion, one for clearing out people's skins, dealing with acne. If your product gets to be tested, proven, and it works based on what they have, based on their desires or what they want to get, then trust me, these people will be, first of all, asked by on viewers, people who look at them and admire them. They'll be like, yo, bro, what are you doing to your skin? It all looks good. And guess what? These guys will be like, yo, I just have a plug. The guy deals in this and this and this. So this is what he does. All right. So they'll be like, okay, can you please refer me to this guy? Can you give me the numbers of this guy so that I can get in touch? Yeah. So that's the kind of referral I'm trying to talk about. So these free paying clients are going to bring in referrals. And the fact that these referrals have already seen the results that they want to get, yeah, it will be easier for them to pay you. They won't even want to test they won't even want to test your free goods or products or services for free because they will know for a fact that your thing works. Their friends got to witness. And one thing I need you to know is that people trust referrals from friends that they know. And if that friend got the desired result that they wish to have themselves, they'll trust them more. In that, paying for the price for whatever product you get to have, just to have the same results their friend got, and that way you get to make money and fill up your bank account. If you're liking value or finding this video valuable, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. So let's get back to the third way through which free clients can make you lots of money. These free clients work as free moving ads. What do I mean by free moving ads? So simply this is where they get to promote the kind of offer or your services for free. So this is how it works. Yeah. Using that example of lotion that clears people's acne, skin, and pimples. So you get these free clients, 5, 10, whatever number you get to start with. Yeah? If you get them the desired results they want, they are going to write some sort of paper, record some sort of video or audio to give proof that, yo, this guy's XBZ kind of product worked for me. My skin is clear, and that will be like, they'll show videos of their skins being out, like smart and smooth. They will be like, yo, at least I gain muscle if you're dealing with muscle and fitness. And this alone, this kind of testimonials, written, recorded, or whatever, whether it's audio or video, they are going to serve as ads. Yeah. And for the smartest people who are so advanced in this level, it's these that they are going to use, these videos they are going to use to put on Google ads. So these videos they are going to use to put on Facebook ads, TikTok ads, to promote their videos. Yeah. But that's something that's more advanced. Back to something that we're just starting off with as small business owners or freelancers who are just starting out. It is these testimonials that potential clients out there are going to refer to, read through, listen to, watch if it is a video like this, to pick the urge of wanting to join your group, join your product, join your circle, so that they get to taste the waters of what your product gets to give them. All right. So don't sleep on testimonials. Don't sleep on these things. Because these free ads spike some urge into people who read this and be like, yo, I need to get this like really bad. Because if so many people are proving that this thing works, why not me? I should trust it. And in the process, they will want to sign up. And probably most of them will come and sign up to get that product. And when they do, bang, you have money in the bank. How hard is that? I'm really curious. Which of these three ways gets to resonate with you? Which of these three ways have you tried out? Or which of these three ways have made you fall a victim? In a good way, victim in a good way, to try out someone's paid product, someone's paid service, someone's paid offer. Let me know in the comment section. And if you did try out someone's paid product or offer, how did it go? Was it as promised?